Hey, it's Aaron of Square Thunder. This is episode number 13 of Fast Logo Friday. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. Our word today is DRAM, D-R-A-M. Do you know what that is? You might already be familiar with the word. It comes from a Greek word, drakme, which was a unit of measurement. Today I'm going to use the word to design a logo for a whiskey rating service, and I'm going to combine it with the word bot for automation or robotic, something techy, geeky. As usual, I'm going to start off with sketching out some rough ideas, and then I'm going to take one of those concepts and refine it a little bit further in Illustrator and take you through that design process and creative thinking along the way. So let's jump in and see what we can come up with. So do you know the word DRAM? There's some disagreement as to how much a DRAM actually is. Some sources tell me that it's 1/8 of an ounce, which is about 3.5 milliliters, or 1/13 of a pint, which is 43 milliliters. That's a pretty significant difference. The nearest I can tell is that a dram is not an official measurement. It comes from a Gaelic word just meaning drink, and it refers to any amount of whiskey that can be swallowed in a single mouthful. The definition that I like the best is that it's any amount of whiskey that's equally pleasing to both the person serving it and the person consuming it. So on that note, thanks for watching. This is Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome. Slainte.